right, take a look at number 8. This is one that I think it might intimidate some people because there's a square root there, but just treat the square root like any other number. Like if that square root of 2 had been like a 7, I don't think you'd be freaked out by it. When you take a look at this one, you're not going to have to split the middle because there's only 2 terms. But the thing that's the same about those 2 terms is they both have a sign. So you can factor out a sine theta, which leaves that square root of 2 in the first term. And since you took out one of the sine thetas, you're still left with sine theta in that first term. Plus sine theta. So since we took it out, we have to put a 1 as a placeholder. That's the factored form for number 8. Take each factor, set it equal to 0. And for the second one, we're going to have to solve for sine. So subtract 1 from both sides. And then divide by the square root of 2. Now here we're going to have to rationalize the denominator. So we end up with negative square root of 2 over 2. So to get our solutions, we have to go back and look here and come up with where sine, or your y-coordinate, is 0. And that's going to be true at 0 and pi. So there's 2 answers. And for the second one, we have to look for where our y-coordinate would equal negative radical 2 over 2. That's going to be at the over 4 angles in the third and the fourth quadrant, because that's where y is negative. So the over 4 angle in the third quadrant is 5 pi over 4, and the over 4 angle in the fourth quadrant is 7 pi over 4. And the directions should say solve between 0 and 2 pi, so we're done.